Hamster Kombat mini game key puzzle for today. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. We're also providing free key in our Telegram channel. Use the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join the Telegram channel. So follow me as I show you step by step on how it is done. So you move the green candle at the top, move it to the left. Then the two red candle, you move it upward. And the third one, you move it upward also. You adjust the green candle to the right. Then the red candle, you bring it downward. The key and the candle at the middle, you move it to the right. The red candle at the top, you move it downward. Then the green key, the two green key at the top, you move it to the left. Then you adjust the key to the left, the green candle to the left. You move the red candle upward. You adjust the green candle to the right. You move the red candle upward. You adjust the two green candle to the left. Then the two red candle, you move it downward. Then you slide your key. Boom. You get it. Watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. And make sure you join our Telegram channel so that you can be getting regular update and free key for your key puzzle. See you in my Telegram channel.